There comes a moment in your life when you finally stop. Stop doubting, stop overthinking, stop waiting for the perfect time, and you whisper the most powerful words you'll ever say, "I can do this." Not because everything is easy, not because the path is clear, but because deep inside you, there is a fire that refuses to die. The greatest battles you'll ever fight won't be against people. They will be inside your own mind. The doubts, the fears, the voice that tells you you're not ready, you're not capable, you're not enough. But listen, every champion you admire, every person you look up to, every success story you've ever heard, started out exactly where you are right now, with fear in their chest, but courage in their steps. They didn't wait to feel confident. They acted their way into confidence. Say it with me. I can do this. Success doesn't begin when you win. Success begins when you start, when you take that small step you've been avoiding, when you stop planning and start doing, when you stop saying one day and say today. It's okay to take small steps. It's okay to feel unsure. Just don't stop moving. You might not see the whole staircase, but you can climb one step at a time. Remember, people don't fail because they're not talented. They fail because they don't start, or they quit too early. Not you, not anymore. You can do this. Let's be honest. There will be days when you're exhausted, days when nothing works, days when you question everything. But listen closely. Just because something is hard doesn't mean it's impossible. Hard is what makes it worth it. Hard is what turns ordinary people into legends. When life pushes you down, don't say, "Why me?" Say, "Try me." Strength is not built in comfort. Strength is built in struggle. Every challenge you overcome is proof that you're stronger than your situation. Repeat it. I can do this. People will doubt you. People will question you. People may even laugh at your dreams, but that's okay. Because your vision wasn't given to them. It was given to you. Before anyone believes in you, you must believe in yourself. Your dreams are not too big. Your goals are not impossible. You simply haven't become the version of yourself who achieves them yet. But that version is inside you, waiting, growing, becoming. Say it louder. I can do this. When you decide, truly decide, that you will not quit, everything changes. You become dangerous. You become powerful. You become unstoppable. Even if the world says no, you will find a way to make it a yes. Even if the obstacles rise, you will rise higher. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need permission. You only need one thing. A mind that refuses to give up. Say it again. I can do this. Think about this. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you don't quit, hoping you push through, hoping you choose growth over comfort. One day, you will look back and say, I'm proud of myself. I didn't quit. I did it, even when it was hard. Every step you take today builds that future. Every decision you make moves you closer to the person you're meant to become. And that person, they are powerful. They are focused. They are unstoppable. This is your moment, your turning point, your reminder that greatness is already inside you. You don't have to wait for the right time. You don't have to wait for approval. You don't have to wait for everything to make sense. You just have to take one breath, one decision, one belief. I can do this. Now go prove it. The world is ready for your story. The world is waiting for your rise. And you, yes, you, can do this.